Hello, welcome today for on Full Light English. My name is Brooke. Today, let's talk about a big problem. Are you afraid to speak English on the phone? Many beginners are terrified. When the phone rings, your heart beats fast. Why? Because you cannot see the person's face. You cannot see their hands. You only hear a voice. Don't worry. Today, I will give you a very easy plan. This video will make you confident. Let's bring full light to your phone skills. Let's look at step 1. The phone rings. You pick it up. What do you say? Many people say hello with a nervous voice. Do not do that. Instead, use a clear professional greeting. Say good morning. This is Brooke speaking. Let's practice that together. Good morning. This is Brooke speaking. This is an amazing sentence. It immediately shows the other person that you are ready to talk. Step 2. What if you make the phone call? You want to talk to a manager or a doctor? How do you ask for them? Do not use hard grammar. Use this simple magic phrase. Can I speak to Ababa, please? Let's try it again. Can I speak to Dr. Helen, please? What if that person is not there? The caller might say, he is busy. Do not panic. Just say this easy sentence. Okay, I will call back later. Thank you. This is clean, short, and very polite. Step 3. This is a very important lesson. What do you do if the person talks too fast? On the phone, English speakers can sound like a fast river. Never just say yes, yes, yes if you don't understand. That causes big problems. Instead, use the 3 simple phrases. Phrase number 1. Can you speak slowly, please? Phrase number 2. Can you repeat that, please? Phrase number 3. I am sorry. One more time, please. The sentences are completely normal. Even native speakers use them when the line is bad. It gives your brain a moment to relax. Step 4. The conversation is finished. How do you hang up the phone? Do not just turn it off. Say something nice to close the call. Thank you for your time. Goodbye. Or, if you are talking to a friend, have a nice day. Bye. See, a phone call is just 4 small pieces. The greeting, the request, the slowdown, and the goodbye. If you follow the steps, you control the phone call. Your homework for day 4 is easy. Practice these phrases out loud in your room. Please subscribe to Full Light English so your skills keep growing every day. Comment below. Is phone English hard for you? Let's talk about it. Thank you for watching day 4. See you tomorrow.